Capstone Assignment 5. The rise in the sea level all over the world is a big problem. It is a lot worse in some areas compared to others. The sea level in San Francisco, California has been increasing a lot more over the recent years than it has in the past. The coast has increased over 6 inches since 1950. The main reason for increase is because of the ice melting and the thermal expansion. This state has a lot more people living on the coast there than anywhere else in the United States. The state is working on fixing the sea level problem, though, but it is going to cost over $6 billion. Some of the things they are going to try to do to help the problem are seawall improvements, flood migration for major roads, and wetland restoration and forestation, with hopes that this is the solution to the long-term problem they are going to be having. The sea level has begun to rise a lot more over the years in San Francisco, California. The speed for it rising has increased a lot. They are now predicting that the sea level is going to rise 1 inch every 10 years. This is a lot faster than what it used to be. And with time, the sea level will only begin to rise even faster if we do not do anything to prevent this from happening. There are a few different reasons why the sea level is rising everywhere. The main reasons why it is rising in California is because ice is melting. Thermal expansion and is the largest contributors. Since the ice is melting, the ocean is getting warmer, which then means it is expanding. The sea level rising is causing flooding and damage and is creating issues for the people that live on the coastline. At the end of the day, they are working on creating solutions for the problem because this is not something that they will be able to fix itself, and it is only going to get worse with time. The only way to slow it down is to work on the problem if we really take action and take this problem seriously. There are over 25 million people living near the coast in California, with over $100 million of property along the coastline. They are all at risk with the sea level rising. Also, 2/3 of the beaches in Southern California are now on track to disappear in the future because the sea level is rising so high. Floods are beginning to happen without even beginning rain to be the cause of it. This is showing that this problem is only going to get worse. Overall, the only way this is going to get better is if people of the government in the state of California work together to come up for a solution to the problem. They then can come up with a plan together and put it in motion to solve this problem and slow down the rate of the sea level rising.